Yo, boys, welcome back to the YouTube. Hope everyone's been well. For anyone who doesn't know me at all, basically just a 20-year-old English day trader, still at 9 to 5, working his way to profitable consistency to get rid of the 9 to 5. And I'm currently funded 250Ks, one ACG, one funding pips. I've had about 44, 500K total in funding, but I've lost all of it previously. My psychology was absolutely cooked. I was washing myself every week. I've had payouts and shit before. I was doing well. I just flew too close to the sun, I guess, in that sense. But I've had a great April. I've just received my second payout from funding pips on this 50K, and I'm requesting my third one Friday. This trade secured me, I'll say it later in the video, but 2.5K, which I'll then request 2,000, which works out in to 1,200 GBP. My overall rewards on this account is 3,200, which results to 2,400 GBP after all of the fees and exchange rates and that. But I want to go for max allocation with funding pips, which is 300K. So I'm going to pass another 50K next week. I'm going to literally risk 2% and try to pass it in one trade. And then I'm going to go for 200Ks. The plan is basically pass that 50K, get a payout, buy the 100K, pass that, get a payout, buy the next 100K, pass that, get a payout. And then maintain all those accounts. See if I can copy trade the 250s and de-risk them, copy trade the 200s and just full risk them. I want the hot seat too. So basically, once you hit 16 payouts, which if you had 4 accounts, you'd hit pretty quickly. If you had 2, you'd hit it in a couple of months. You get an extra 1% drawdown, 1% overall drawdown. You get more lots, and I think they double your capital, so they double the size of every account. So you get 600K, which is nuts. You get on-demand payouts, which then are 100% splits, and 2 million in capital. I don't know how it works yet. I'll find out hopefully when I hit 16 payouts. And you also get bonuses each month. So for a 50K, you get $400. So that's 800 if you have 2 of them. But yeah, I'm just gonna speed the video up real quick. So I'm gonna watch this in the slowest 1 minute candles ever.
Nico.
Right. Basically, yeah. This is probably the freest trade of my entire life. So either of these gaps, I'll just combine the whole thing. As soon as we get there, I'm looking for a buy. Probably an SMT on the 4 hour or 1 hour. I haven't looked. It's an SMT with this low. Could have entered here, wasn't looking. Took my entry off of this gap here. Just bought off this candle. Put my stop here. Like so. What have I risked? Let me check. 249, so 0.5%. Going for 2 deviation and this low resistance. NFP high has already been took by this candle, but I'll just mark that as NFP high anyway. So I'm going for like a 6 OR, trying to get 4% really. Now just leave the account till payout. But we can still smash break even here. Anything could go. Obviously, we're in this 1 hour gap, but this is a nice push. We got half an hour till this candle closes in the 1 hour. So we'll see if we reject off of here now and push higher again. It's beautiful. Potentially even push past this trade back into it. But if we start to move down again, it might just break me even, but it is what it is. Definitely want to see this high. If you come near this high, I'll get out. I could probably swing this for the rest of the night, but I am really ain't that bothered. Just received the payout, hopped on the chart, and had this trade. Obviously, I think we could come next week. We're going to come back to this high, to be honest. We also took previous daily low. Daily candle looks a bit fucked because we've just been going lower all day. No, previous daily high, not low, sorry. But yeah, I'm happy with it. It's like a daily at 4-hour unicorn, really. But where we are now is really going to decide. GJ really hasn't moved up at all. We'll see. It'd be fire to just catch a free trade like this, to be honest. Just be out in like the next half an hour. This 4-hour candle opened at 3 too, so this opened low, looking for a high close at least near NFP high. This one close for 2 hours or some shit, so we'll see. I'm just gonna fast forward this video. Done. Out for 2.2k, so 4.2%. Some shit like that, 4.25. So that's another payout secured. In just one trade, I'm thinking, because I can't request on next Friday now, I'm thinking maybe keep trading this account and see if I can get to like 5k. But I don't know, man, because I'm happy with that for a payout. Like, that's blessed. That'll give me 3 payouts in now. And I might just focus on evals next week. Next week should be a good week because NFP week's done. This week's gonna set in. Next week's gonna set in probably a load of the month and shit like that. The market looks good, man. The price action's good. The high time frame's great. That trade took what? Just that whole hourly candle. Just this 1 hour candle, like pretty much top and bottom. Yeah, I mean, let's break it down real quick. So 4-hour gap, like I said earlier, to actually double check for an S&T. Don't know what that hourly open was, but we'll take it. It's a nice S&T here. That's one you want to see. With Yen Basket, you could have checked GJ. GJ's usually dead on a Friday, so I don't usually bother with it. And that 4-hour, if this 4-hour closes bullish, that's a beautiful candle. You could have held that trade longer, but I'll take that profit. I'm not arsed at all. Now I can get off the charts and just go and enjoy my night. So this was the position. I'll throw it on the screen real quick. And we exited on that wick. I did move my TP to hit this high, but I was watching it, I thought let's just get out. It's probably still going to take that high, but it's blessed. I want a 6, 250 risk, 2,200 reward. No, 2,500, so yeah, sweet. 4-hour gap. I probably would have got in here if I was looking, but I had an alert set here in this gap, and it was like my alert was like here, so I thought I'd check on it, and I saw it was already setting up. You could have got enough this gap. Genuinely, I probably wouldn't have got break even because I wouldn't break even until we break this high and actually make a decent leg above. And then this would be my manipulation leg. Probably could use this little one here really, but it's my entry leg, so I'm a bit against it. Lines up with this low resistance here. Just got smashed through in the 1 hour open. We trade back into this gap. This is literally just a unicorn. Break a block. You could have waited for a bullish reaction off of it, but I'll take that little wick out of it. Inverse gap here, you could have entered off this candle here, and it retraced, or just off the close. Again here, you could have scaled in here, and then again there if you want to be a bit greedy. Once you've got a reversal in a PD array, jump on the 1 minute, and there's so many clear options to trade. I think I could have also longed Dow Jones, but I'm happy I didn't because it doesn't look as good. But yeah, sweet, I'm out. And now I'm going to do absolutely fuck all weekend. Next week should be a good week. I think I'm just going to focus on evals though. Focus on evals. Try and build more capital. I want to get max allocation with funding pips. And then FPMO again. Probably won't go for ACG. I've got one ACG account. But I just don't really fucking like them, man. Yeah, this is mint. I think next week, I'm honestly just going to look for a bullish expansion week. If we pull back to this 1 hour on Monday morning or something, and I'll take it to previous week high. Nice bit of low res here. I'm eating dollars. A little bit bullish there. I don't really care about seasonal tendencies, but I like to just look at them. See if we align. So we're looking to just fall off, to be fair. And then bullish. But I kind of feel like this aligns more with that. I really think this is a really nice wick on this 4 hour. When we take this high, if we potentially gap above this high, we then take this high. So obviously we had this daily gap. Oh no, sorry, 4 hour gap. Which I haven't inversed, but this is a great push up. And then this reaction here off of the imbalance made from that push up is also good. It was quite slow, but it's Friday NFP day. So it is what it is, man. But now I'm gassed with that. Yeah. And that is it, boys. Just simple trading, man. I'll try and do like I want to do like a video of like inside the mind of an ICT trader. Because my trading's a bit unique in a way. But I just also think it can be really simple, man. Just all a mindset thing. And one day it'll just click like that. But yeah, literally just 4 hour gaps, mate. 4 hour gaps, 1 minute gaps, 1 minute low resistance, standard deviations, sometimes news draws or just high draws. Are these also relative equal highs? No, not really, but that's good enough for me. Yeah, sweet. Peace out.
So time is a crucial factor in consistency, longevity, and success, meaning that you need to know what you're looking for